Oh my god, guys. The haul I just got is unreal. The dumpster haul, it's crazy. So there's this big giant chalkboard, which, believe it or not, came in the front seat with me on the way home in the car. And all right, this is what the car looks like right now. The license plate is covered, so that's cool. Anyway, this is what the car looks like. We got a shop vac type vacuum hanging off the side, and it is actually part of what is holding a tire on, as well as this stuff, which is on the back window with the power cord run through and around and tied off. Now, listen, guys, it is a storm here. It is like, it's crazy.
There's 8 different ropes in there, all different types, strap downs, ratchet straps, and we got tools and a sub box all on top of them.
All right, so we got more tires hanging here. We got a giant box of hockey jerseys, guys. This came from the rink. Okay, like, this is insane. There were so many jerseys, and this big piece of plexiglass that we can, you know, cut to size for what we need. And what else? What's that? A chair?
Yeah, lawn chair.
There's a chair right here, like a lawn chair. This black bag right here is a bag of.
I wasn't gonna bother with the lawn chair, but it still had the new tags on it.
There you go. A chair still had the tags on it. This black bag is a bag of organic absorbent for, like, if you spill grease or whatever.
Gas,
so
whatever. Gas.
Where's this great big tub plus milk crate? The blue milk crate we got. The black milk crate I already had. I'm tripping over things here. All right, now you won't believe this.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I gotta put my glove on.
You can have my face.
It is so cold. I don't even know. No, it's fine. Yeah, but I don't think we need our faces in here right now. This is a small town, and oh my god, I'm struggling putting my glove on.
But I took my glasses off.
You took your glasses off, so it's like Superman. He's Clark Kent now. Nobody will recognize him.
No, my glasses off.
Anyway, okay, so I also got this little shopping thing right here. Okay, little shopping thing in this little case, which has cassette tapes. Is that Pat Benatar? That's crazy. The Romantics. What is this? February. Oh, I gotta look more. What's this one? Breathe, Peace of Mind. Huey Lewis in the News. What is that? I don't even know what this is. Van Halen, I believe. Okay, so cassettes in there. Is it cassettes on the other side too? Let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that. Wow, okay. So cassettes. All right, now this is a prom dress, guys. A prom dress. That is insane. There was just a prom dress in the rink, like the skating arena dumpster here, okay? This is a big, floofy. Will you hold this up for me?
Sure.
Please and thank you.
I look great from it. Wait, hold on.
That's the front. Okay, look at this. Like, it has all that, like, crinoline stuff or whatever. The tool, like, look at this. That's insane. It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
It's really your color. It brings out the blue in your eyes. Oh my god. Alright, I put this in the don't want it to blow away. Okay, and we got more jerseys. So many jerseys. Oh my god. So many. So many. Where is that tub? Where's the tub? I could put the jerseys. I could put the jerseys in it. Okay, and look. Oh yeah, of course, my battery would be too low to use the flash. So, alright, so, thank you. Okay, let's see. Plan B. Alright, I'm sorry, the light might not be super awesome, but I will do what I can. Alright, so I'm gonna take all of these jerseys out of here, put them in here. Oh my god, what is going on with this? Alright, my light. Sorry guys, it's not my greatest first dumpster diving video, but look at this stuff. Look, okay, I got milk, I got red peppers, I got some stovetop stuffing, more milk. This is like lemon curd stuff, you know what I mean? Like for lemon pies and lemon squares. A ton of these little chocolate milk things. Look at the date. The 18th. That's tomorrow. Okay? So it is your birthday. There's more stuff here. I got more milk over there. There's even more of these lemon things. And I know there's a bunch of like apples and oranges and other things. Look, a light bulb too, we got that. Was there anything else cool? Did we get anything else? Any of this stuff? What is this?
2 orange tarps.
2 orange tarps, big tarps.
The soil, soccer balls.
2 soccer balls. Yeah, this organic absorbent stuff. I had mentioned that already.
This plexiglass.
Yeah, I did mention that.
I'm gonna make it to a new driver's side window for my
There you go. Oh yeah, okay, here's the chair. Here's that chair that... So, that's the lawn chair thing. Look, it's totally fine. Totally cool. Alright. That's crazy, guys. Look at the size of this. Okay, oh, and a giant box of individual tartar sauce. Okay, it's a little bit weird, but you know, whatever. So, all right. Oh yeah, these 3 tires. What are these tires for, love?
They're race tires for like a go-kart.
Race tires for a go-kart.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. There's only 3 of them, but you know, but whatever.
80 to $100 a piece used.
They're what?
80 to $100 a piece used.
$80 to $100 a piece used.
And these are brand
That's
new.
insane.
These 3.
That's insane.
Well, it's because they're
Okay.
an actual racing tire.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. So the last few days, whatever, the last little bit, we have been doing some dumpster diving in the nearby city. Which, if you know PEI, you know it's a really small place. Our cities are tiny. Our whole province in Canada only has like 140,000 people. So I can't get over this giant blackboard. Anyway, so we have been accumulating quite a bit of stuff. Okay, my battery totally died there. All right, so so yeah, we've been accumulating quite a bit of stuff, doing this dumpster diving stuff. So I have to refilm this whole part because I just like didn't realize that my camera had stopped. Okay, so this is a hockey bag. This is like my front entryway. currently overrun by stuff. I've been posting it on the local buy sell trade sites, and you know, trying to sell some of it, and I've donated a ton of food to the local food bank here. I took up so much school snacks that we actually got from the dollar store. So this, turn my light on here. This hockey bag right here is full of used hockey gear, like for a kid. So hockey gear is so expensive. So that is going to be donated, because I know that there's some kid out there that would absolutely be super excited to have that. So that's going to be donated. But look, this is the big reveal that I cannot wait to show you guys. Look. All right. This is a wood splitter. It is a 5-ton dual wedge Yardworks log splitter, and this thing is crazy, like, swear to God. Okay, we got this out of a returns bin. All right, a returns bin, and it was thrown out just because of the fact that the box was damaged. Okay, like, let's see if I can move some of this stuff here. Knocking things over. All right, look. The box has a little bit of damage. That's it. That's all that's wrong with it. That's it. Why would they throw this away? This sells for $550. $550 at Canadian Tire. I have that posted for sale. I can't believe that they would throw this away. It's brand new. It's never been out of the box. Like, look. These are stapled. Staples are still all there. This box has never been opened. Can you believe this? Like, who throws this shit out? I don't understand. So anyway, I'm gonna, oh my goodness. So look at the water in my entryway. Oh my God. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I am so sorry for the super choppiness of this video. Things will hopefully get better as I get, you know, more used to filming myself and talking to you guys, and you know, being on YouTube, because it's weird for me. But thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. You know, click that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I'm going to keep trying to do this. You know, I want to share all of the crazy stuff that I get. I hope you'll all, you know, come with me for the ride. Thanks for watching, y'all. Be kind. You know, everybody's fighting a battle you know nothing about. So just smile and carry on with your day. I know that anyone around you is going to benefit from that smile. Keep smiling. Love y'all.